Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and today I'll be showing you how to download and set up the robbing plugin. Firstly, I'll be showing you a brief overview of what the plugin is and what it does, and then I'll show you how to set it up on your server. There are timestamps in the description if you want to jump to a specific section. All you have to do is sneak and right-click onto a player to open up their inventory. You can steal as many items as you want, but this is editable in the config, so you can make it more balanced if you'd like. It's also possible that if a player catches you, they may be able to arrest you using handcuffs. With a plugin like this on your server, it'll be impossible to feel safe. If you realize someone's out to steal from you, you can also place a /911 command. That'll tell everyone what coords you're at. They may be able to help fight off the thief. A lot of these features are configurable in the plugin config. There's a timestamp in the description where you can see all the configurations you can make. In order to set the plugin up on your server, you'll have to download it, which you can do by heading to this page. The link to it will be in the description. When you're there, all you have to do is click on the download now button on the right, and that will automatically download the .jar file. When it's done downloading, we recommend dragging it to your desktop so it's easier to follow the next few steps. To set up the plugin on your server, you'll have to head to the Server.pro website. When you're there, head into your server's control panel. At the server dashboard, make sure that your server's type is set to paper and that the version is compatible with the plugin version. You can find what version the plugin supports on the plugin page. Before proceeding, make sure the server is offline, and then you can head to the Files tab. There you'll see a plugins folder. Double-click that folder and open it up. Once it's open, all you have to do is drag in the plugin file you downloaded earlier. It'll take a millisecond to upload, so when that's done, you can turn your server on. In the meantime, you can head to the console. There you'll know that the plugin is set up on the server correctly when it says enabling robbing. Note that if your server is still online when installing the plugin, please restart your server fully to enable the plugin. Don't do /reload as this can cause errors. To make sure everything is working as intended in game, you want to head to your dashboard and copy the host name. Afterwards, start up your Minecraft application, and when the game is open, head to the multiplayer section. Click add server, and in the server address section, paste the host name. When that's done, double click to enter the server, and after the server's finished loading up, you can test out the plugin. As you can see, if I type in /robbing, it comes up with the plugin's commands. If the same happens for you, that means you've set up the plugin correctly. However, if that doesn't happen, it may mean that you missed a step in the tutorial, so make sure to go back and refollow them. There are some optional configurations you can make with the plugin file. To find the config file for the plugin, you'll have to head to the Files tab and into the Plugins folder. Inside that, you should see a robbing folder. Go into that folder and then open up the config text file. At the top, you can configure if you want the plugin enabled or not by changing the value. Below, you can also write down a list of the items that aren't permitted to steal. For example, if you think stealing netherite ingots is too far for this plugin, you can write the item name here and players won't be able to steal that. Additionally, you can change your steal cooldown to make sure people aren't constantly stealing. At the bottom of the page, you can enable and disable handcuffing. You can also enable the crafting of handcuffs, and an escape feature where someone can attempt to escape the handcuffs. Lastly, you can also edit the message shown when a player uses the /911 command. Well, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below, and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to see more from our channel. Thank you for watching!